Hello everyone. Welcome back to OjaMa Cooking. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Japanese Gyudon, also known as a beef bowl. This recipe is easy, delicious, and budget-friendly, making it perfect for lunch or dinner. Today, I'll be using chuck steak from the supermarket because it's affordable and has just the right amount of fat to make this gyudon full of flavor. Cheap cuts of beef can still taste amazing if you know a few simple tricks. Let's prepare the beef. Thinly slice the chuck steak against the grain. This helps make the beef easier to eat. Next, sprinkle over half a teaspoon of baking soda for every 500 grams of beef and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Afterwards, lightly rinse the beef under cold water and pat it dry with paper towel. This simple trick helps make cheaper cuts of beef much more tender. Now let's prepare the rest of the ingredients. Thinly slice 1 large onion or 2 small onions if that's what you have. Next, it's time to make the sauce. Add 300 milliliters of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of dashi powder, 2 tablespoons of sake, 4 tablespoons of mirin, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of minced ginger into a frying pan. Stir everything together and bring it to a gentle simmer. Once the sauce begins to simmer, add the sliced onion and cook until it becomes soft and slightly sweet. Now it's time to add the beef. Gently separate the slices as you place them into the pan so they cook evenly. Chuck steak can become tough if it's overcooked, so only simmer it for a few minutes until the beef is just cooked and has absorbed all those delicious flavors. Before serving, always have a taste. If the sauce is a little too strong, add a splash of water. If it's too mild, add a little more soy sauce or sugar until it's just right. Every family's taste is a little different, so don't be afraid to adjust it to your liking. Now it's time to serve. Spoon the gyudon over warm Japanese rice. Now add your favorite toppings. To keep it simple, I'm going to add cheese and pickled ginger to this gyudon to make cheese gyudon. However, you can also enjoy it as is with pickled ginger, as it is essential for the perfect gyudon. You could also add an onsen tamago, soft-boiled egg, and spring onion to make it extra nice. And for a more balanced meal, you can enjoy it with a bowl of salad and homemade miso soup. Miso soup works perfectly with this dish, and you can check out that quick recipe linked right here. And that's it! A delicious homemade Japanese gyudon made with affordable supermarket ingredients. Thank you for watching OjaMa Cooking. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy Japanese recipes, and leave a comment below. See you next time, and it's time to enjoy this meal. So let's say, itadakimasu.